Hello everyone, and this is Edmond with Daros channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tutorial ko on how to disable address bar search suggestions in Google Chrome. Ito yung kapag nag-type ka ng query or website link sa address bar ay lumalabas lahat ng various search suggestions. Kung gusto mo itong i-turn off or i-disable with this quick method only. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating web browser. Ito siya. And then halimbawa mag-search tayo dito sa searching bar ng how to make cake. Ayan. So ito yung tinatawag mga kaibigan ng search suggestions. Alright. So makikita mo dito pag nag-type ka dito ng query or website. Kung paano ba natin ito i-turn off. So napakadali lang naman. Dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then select mo lang yung settings. Dito lang sa settings yung pinakauna ng You and Google. So ito yung ano natin, siselect mo lang. And then dito lang sa gitna ay kailangan mo lang iselect yung Sign and Google Service. Click lang natin to. Dito sa Sign and Google Service ay kailangan lang natin i-turn off itong Improve Search Suggestions. Okay? So kailangan mo lang itong i-turn off. Alright? So kailangan lang natin i-close tong tab. And then back tayo. Okay, so try natin mag-search dito ng how to make pasta. Ayan mga kaibigan. So nakita nyo dito na na-turn off or na-disable na yung search suggestions niya. Kung ano lang yung topic natin dito na sinearch natin, ay ito lang yung lumalabas dito. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in a comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.